What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube videos. In today's video I'll be talking about setting up the Git editor. So if you have seen my previous video where I talked about amending Git commits, I basically run this command, right? If you remember. By default it actually opened up Beam, and you might be wondering, hey, I don't want to use Beam, I want to use something else like Notepad, Notepad++, Nano, Emacs, or whatever you can think of, right, as an editor. So how do you actually do it? By default Git actually choose Vim as an editor. So for example, when I run this command, you can see this is basically a shortcut. So here it actually uses Beam. So instead of using Beam, can I use something else? Yes, you can. So what you have to do, you need to do git config dash global and then core the editor. This is what you have to do first of all. And if I enter, you can see I have got Beam. What happens if I want to actually use Visual Code Studio? This is what I could do. Use wait, otherwise it might be blank page. So if I want to use this one and I want to go back to this, you can see the code is actually set up. So if I run this command right there, so if I go back to this command and see what happens, this time it's gonna use actually editor. Look at this. So it has actually opened up Visual Studio Code right here, and if I'm doing that, okay, doing some test, and I just close it because I don't have to save it. By default I have autosave, so I just close this and you can see. So this is how actually you can modify stuff using the editor of your choice. For example, if you wanted to use Codium, for example, use Codium as well, like so. So you could just write Codium and then wait. You can use Notepad, for example, Emacs, for example, you can use Pico, you can use Nano. And what happens if you want to use Notepad, for example, plus plus? So you have to basically say where is your, let's say, C program files. I even don't remember Windows stuff right now. So you have to say program files all the way where your notepad.exe file basically. So you need to copy and paste it right there, then it's gonna work. So for example, if you're using Helix, you can just say ASX and things like that. So this is the way actually you can configure an editor of your choice. I hope you find this video useful. If it is the case, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And hey, by the way, to get content like this, please do subscribe to my channel. And this is something inspires me a lot. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.